Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? We're continuing on our tour series of the Barcelo Maya Grand Resort, and we're here today at the Barcelo Maya Colonial, and we're in a superior room. So this is a good entry-level room, and it's got some great feel to it. So without further ado, let's check it out. So we're just looking at the living area right now and the balcony. So this is a garden view that they let us tour, but we're gonna wrap around this way and take a look at the entranceway as we usually do coming in. All right, so first coming in, one thing we noticed about some of the other hotel rooms that we've toured here on property is that the color scheme in here is very bright. So these like bright wood colors, and as opposed to some of the darker woods. So again, here's the front door coming in, just off to the left, just like most of the other room tours we do here on this channel. We got a closet to the left, and then over here the washroom to the right. So again, inside the closet here, so that door opens nice and smooth. We've got a beautiful closet here. We've got some hangers, the iron and ironing board, and again our safe. And we got lots of shelves here too, and lots of storage. Lots of open space over here too, and then some extra space just on top. And then just on the other side of the closet, we have the Barcelo robes and some slippers. Some storage on the ground here. You can put your luggage in here to keep it out of the way while you're on your trip. And again, lots of hangers that connects into the other side. So turning over this way, we're going to turn and look into the washroom area. So as we walk in here, we can see we've got a single vanity sink in this washroom. We've got our toiletries just kind of stacked up and set out nicely in the corner. A couple cups and lots of space here to put your things. There isn't any storage underneath like a shelf that we saw in some of the other rooms. But we do have a hair dryer on the wall here too, and then some power as well, just to power any of the devices or any of the things that you brought to help yourself get ready. Just to the left of that, we can see the toilet. It's a little bit more compact in here. There's not a separate like door for the toilet area. And then just above the toilet, there's a nice window that's letting some beautiful light in here at the moment. So if we swing all the way around here inside the washroom, we can see there's a tub, and then it has like a stand-up shower as well, obviously. It's got our water, and then it's got a rainfall shower above, and then a spot to put some things in the corner in that little shelf. And then the hotel does provide shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel here in the shower. Lots of space for towels up here, and you can even just kind of hang some towels here on this hook. There's just a small little glass partition here too, so again, not too much privacy while you're in the shower here. So if that's something that's important to you, just take note of that. All right, so coming out of the bathroom and walking into the rest of the room, we have a big mirror here to check yourself out just before you head out for the day or the evening. And then just off to the right side here, we have a bench that you can set your luggage on, or underneath some extra storage too. And then walking into the bedroom area, the hotel room that we got a tour, or that we got to tour here, is 2 double beds. There's a big mirror on the wall here to kind of just open things up a little bit. I love the colors in here though. It's very nice and bright. In between both of the beds here, we've got one bedside table, and we, as you can see, we share a USB. There's switches on the wall for all the lights and the ceiling fan, and then a power here for your devices. And you can see that there's a air conditioning kind of control here on the wall. 2 lights, or 2 bedside sconces with lights, and then there's even these little reading lamps right here and here. So turning around across from the bed, we have the TV unit and the entertainment console. So there's a TV just here, and I'll give you a sneak peek at some of the channels that you get offered here at the resort, just on this little pamphlet. And inside this little pamphlet is the TV remote control. So I'll see if I can just get a better shot of that. There we go. All right, so this big like dresser here, we've got some different storage options in here. So if we open up this side, you can see there's some extra space in here to set your things. There's even some small drawers in here too, to put any of your other belongings. We noticed that some of the furniture in here, it's getting a little bit tired. This is one of the older rooms on resort, but it still looks like quite nice, but just letting you know that. And inside these doors, we have sort of a mini bar area and coffee nook. So we have some mugs here, some coffee with a coffee maker, and then some water that should get replenished every day. And underneath we have the mini bar, and inside the mini bar we've got some beers. So we've got Corona. And we've got some soft drinks and some juices and then some extra cold water just right here in the corner. And if any of that is not being replenished, you can always call the front desk or guest services, and they can help you kind of get any more soft drinks or beers or water in your room. Just off to the right side beside the mini bar, there's some extra storage in these shelves, and then a spot for the ice bucket and some glasses to mix up a drink here in your room. Just above that and beside the TV, there's some information pamphlets here that give you information about room service, and then some of the other amenities here in the hotel and services. For instance, like when the restaurants are open and when some of the activities are taking place at this resort, at Barcelo Maya Colonial, and some of the other sister resorts. So moving over this way and across from the bedroom area, we have the living area. So you've got a small little desk here with a chair. And then over here, we've got a big couch with some nice cushions, beautiful color. And then a small little table in the middle here too. So this might be a nice spot to get some room service and kind of pull up and have some room service here in the room. I'm really liking this artwork on the wall here. So that's beautiful. And it really connects with the colors and the color theming in this room. All right, so lastly, we're gonna take a look at the view here. So we got a garden view room to tour. So this is gonna show a view of the garden. Oh yeah, so there is another lock here too, just for safety. So I'm just gonna kind of make sure that gets pulled down, and then we can open the sliding door out to the outside. It actually slides like very easily, so that's nice. So outside on our patio here, or our balcony, we've got some chairs with some cushions on for comfort, a small table and an ashtray, and then we have a drying rack for your swimsuit or your towels. And then over here, we've got view of the gardens. So at the moment, there isn't really any sounds out here. The walls on the left and the right here don't have any like windows, so we've got some like pretty good privacy right now, looking out over these nice palms. So this is a very like private, secluded kind of room here. Perfect for like reading or just hanging out and relaxing if that's what you're looking for. These garden views are a great option as opposed to having a balcony look out over the pool or a walkway. This is very secluded and very nice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that tour and found it informative, taking a look at this superior room here at Barcelo Maya Colonial. If you guys have any questions about rooms here or want to check out some of the other videos on our channel, you can take a look at the Barcelo tour series that we did while staying on property here. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.